I'll just be watching a few minutes. Bye-bye.
Hey guys, welcome to a video on Animal Company. Yay! We're gonna be showing you guys how to get lots of money.
Yes,
As you
now
can see, I have one. I'm here with my two sisters who got VRs for Christmas.
Did you have to say that?
Yes, I did. This one got a mic. This one don't. You don't need to remember that. It's not important. But as you can see, I have a lot of money. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to get money too. Okay? What you're going to need any bag. I'm using my big one.
And I'll be watching him.
And you also need portal balls. 2 of them.
I'll be watching him on the phone.
And rockets. And if you want food.
And I'll be
So
watching
how
you guys.
many of you are going to be coming with me? You're going to be watching us with the tablet.
Yep.
And you? You don't have a mic. Are you going to come with me or with her? Point. Okay, they both don't want to come. They're going to blow each other up. Have fun.
Did you mean that literally?
Yep. Huh. Don't blow me up.
Oh, I won't.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna be showing you now. Let's gobble up this special snack. As you can see, special snacks have some special effects, just like some other special candies in real life. But don't do them because they're illegal. This is the one problem with using this candy. You might find yourself in a pickle. That's a rock. Okay, now you're gonna want to get 2 rockets out and run. You're gonna want to rocket over inward and keep pulling out here. As you can see, I didn't quite make it, so I'm gonna want to run for my life over there.
I can still talk to you guys, you know?
Yeah, I know. That's what you want your portal balls for, unless you want the longer and more scary route. Now you want to throw it through there after activating. Then you want to get rid of all this. I forgot I had you. Well, I need you, so you can stay here. Now, you're going to pick one of these up on the route, so I recommend just doing like a quick run without grabbing anything, or maybe if you can, like grabbing stuff. That's what I'm drop down over here. Now, I'm thinking, big scary atomic chamber with radioactive suns. How safe. Well, that's where you're wrong. Now, it tricks you into thinking they're radioactive. So, we all know, radioactivity is money in disguise. So these gems, corrupt ones, that turn you upside down if you touch them with bare hands, worth $550. I call the yellow ones Bob. These ones, the yellow ones aren't here. They're worth the least money. These red ones are Bob's cousins. And the blue ones are, of course, the drunken uncles. Y'all know if you're an uncle, you're probably drunk. I have a lot of storage, so I have a lot of things to do. So I'm gonna be.
Hello.
What do you want? So make sure it's set on to red mode, not blue mode, because blue mode launches you into the pit of doom down there. Make sure to do it alone, because if 2 people and you're both using the thing, the other person get launched off.
You're really off my tablet.
I'm off your tablet?
You're really off. You're really off.
Oh, yeah, nice. Wait, I think this is about almost as far as I'll go. I think very scary down here, though. Well, welcome to prison. Check this. See? You can buy them for 2,000 bolts. So just AFK in some lobbies and you'll get that money quick. There's also a prison over here. We don't talk about it. That's where I keep that's where I keep the frog nappers. And then you want to switch over to blue, fully charge, and launch up into the blue thing. Now you're probably low health like I am. But you're also right here. And there's the selling machine. Okay guys, go over to the selling machine. There's the one that was watching our every move. Not very creepy. As you can see, I'm very slow. And she is very fast. I put a little in and I'm still way... I don't know what she just put in. She probably just grabbed the gem and put it back in. What are you doing? What are you selling? You're putting the gem in? What are you putting in there? Don't sell. Now we... Yeah, but now we can jump up here.
I'm in!
Can I sell my tablets?
Sure, you can sell your tablets.
There we go.
Oh, you're selling machine up. I still don't have any more in my bag. Check your bag for any more. And just like that, I'm at 59k. Now I'm at 68k. Look, I got 8,000 doll hairs. Or company nut. Do you have any more in your bag? Oh no, you put your bag in there, so I don't know if you picked any up. I'm broken that now. But kids, always remember to buy tax evasion, advanced tax evasion, and of course fraud. We love fraud.
Yeah, tax evasion.
In video games, of course. Don't do it in real life. You could end up like this person. Hanging off of a screen. You could end up like that person, trapped in a video game. Or prison, as we call it. So that's all for this tutorial. See you next time. I'm not gonna be child friendly. Just kidding. It's too late for that. And kid, remember, once you get it, that money, only spend it on things you need. And things to kill your enemy. I mean, what? No, don't kill your enemies with a gun.
Are you still there?
Yes, I'm sorry. Kill them with a stick.
Are you still recording?
Yay. Yes, I am. Beat them to death with a stick. Can I show my viewers how to beat people to death with a stick? Gotta do it like this. Come out here. Walk up on your unsuspecting victim, guest, and slam a stick on their face. And that's how we commit murder. See you guys next time. Just kidding. I know where you live. You live on planet Earth. I know where you live. I know, right? Isn't that crazy that I know that you live on Earth?